Good morning. Today is May 31st. It's the last day of the month, and I'm making a special announcement here. We have a busy morning with our pretrials and landlord-tenant docket, but this segment has no title. I'm letting you all know, some of you who are on the Facebook page and others may already know this, but yesterday morning on the way into work, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney Melissa Halleck was killed in a car accident. She had been a member of the bar here in St. Joseph County for about 10 years. She actually was an intern in the prosecutor's office when she was a law student, and she came out and she went into private practice in Sturgis. She recently was hired by the St. Joe County prosecutor, David Marvin, as an assistant prosecutor. And so she worked here at the courthouse, and you've seen her both as a defense attorney and as a young prosecutor. She was really enjoying this new job. She was really feeling it was important and meaningful and taking things very seriously. We had a hearing on Tuesday that started at 10:30. She thought it started at 10. So she came into my office and we just sat and talked for a half an hour about things, life. She has 2 young daughters, and she's also raising her niece as a single mother. She just bought a house on the river. She was all excited about that. She was excited about her daughter's softball. It's just terrible. And it's sad. The more you think about it, the worse it gets. Mr. Marvin closed his office yesterday afternoon, and you can certainly understand why. But we're here doing our work. Mr. Marvin is here with me right now in his office. As you can imagine, is quite devastated by this. But we have to continue to do what we need to do. So we will be continuing to hear our cases. We're about to do a competency hearing, and then we have pretrial conferences this morning. Mr. Marvin also is back to a 2-person office in an attempt to cover 4 courts and now 2 buildings. So it's Mr. Marvin and the chief assistant, Joshua Robert, who are going to be trying to cover everything. So people have asked, what can we do? Is there something we can do? And the answer is, I don't know yet. The County Bar Association is going to have a meeting on June 10th, and there may be some sort of fund or a something set up for her daughters. And if that happens, we'll certainly let people know about it. I'm assuming her obituary will be in the Sturgis paper, probably the Three Rivers paper. Anyway, we're all very sad, and we have work to do. So say a prayer for Melissa, her daughters, her family, and everybody that loved her. So I'm going to stop this. I left the stream on. Now we're going to go back to mundane business, but life continues. So thank you all for checking in.